Hey there everybody, Greg Marchand here. Look, I want to talk about transparency. You know why customers don't trust us? Because we don't create enough transparency. I get that it's not all of you, but those old school signs that said absolutely no customers in the shop due to insurance regulations, the customers look at that and they go, oh yeah, you don't want me to see what goes on out there because you're going to try to sell me something I don't need and I don't get to see it. Listen, with all the technology you have today, use pictures, use videos, and use show and tell with your customers. That transparency alone will create trust with your clients. There'll be enough shops out there that'll never see this video and never do it, so you go do it. Show your customers what bad looks like, show customers what broken looks like, and show them what good, what new, what fixed looks like. Use pictures, use videos, play show and tell. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.